Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Chat GPT, an AI powered chatbot by OpenAI. We'll show you how to create an account and get started with this awesome tool. So, if you are ready to, let's jump right in. First thing first, what is Chat GPT? Well, it's an advanced AI chatbot that can hold conversations and provide information on a wide range of topics. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of applications, from answering questions to generating text content. Now let's talk about how you can create your own ChatGPT account. It's super simple. Here's what you need to do. First step is to open your web browser and head into the OpenAI website. Write chat.openai.com. Next, click Sign up to create your account. In step 3, you need to enter an email address and a secured password, and then press Continue. But don't forget to read and agree to the terms and conditions. OpenAI will send you a verification email. Just click the link inside to confirm your account. Step 4. Verify by opening the email address. Press Verify Email button. The email has been verified. Now, in step 6, it will need some basic information. First, enter name, last name, and date of birth, and press Continue. In step 7, you need to enter your phone number and press Send Code via SMS button. OpenAI will send you a code. Please enter code in the space. And there you have it. Creating an account is easy as pie. This AI chatbot is a powerful tool and it's available for a wide range of applications. So let your creativity run wild. If you have any questions or need more guidance, don't hesitate to drop us a comment below. We are here to help. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy chatting with ChatGPT.